Dear children, in this lecture, let's discuss the fourth problem from exercise 5.2. We are asked to find the derivative of secant of tan of root x. For convenience or for better understanding, let's assume the given function to be capital F of x. So let capital F of x is equal to secant of tan of root x. So let's break down this into three simple functions. Unlike the previous problems, it is composition of three different functions. Two trigonometry functions, secant, tan, and an algebraic expression root x. Another expression root x. So let's assume our capital F of x. We have assumed the capital F of x to be the given question. Let small f of u be secant u, where u is equal to g of v, that is equal to tan v, and your v is equal to h of x, that is equal to root x. So, the given function capital F of x is the composition of three functions: h composite, g composite, f of x, that is equal to f of g of h of x. Now extending the chain rule to the composition of three functions, we get f dash of x is equal to f dash of g of h of x into g dash of h of x into h dash of x. This again follows from the chain rule that is extended to composition of three functions. Now let's compute the derivatives one by one and substitute in the chain rule. So f dash of u, this implies f dash of u. Differentiating secant u, we get secant u into tan u. So, but substituting your u, this is f dash of g of h of x, that is equal to secant of tan of root x into tan of tan root x, and differentiating g dash of v, differentiating g of v, I get g dash of v, that is equal to secant squared v. Differentiating tan, we get secant squared. So this implies our v is h of x, g dash of h of x, that is equal to secant squared of h of x. h of x is root x, and finally we compute h dash of x. h dash of x is equal to differentiating root x. Root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. So differentiating x power 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. That is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. So making these substitutions in the chain rule, making these substitutions in the chain rule, we get f dash of g of h of x, that is secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x, then g dash of h of x, which is secant squared of root x into h dash of x, which is 1 by 2 root x. So which is the derivative of the given function. The given function is d by dx of secant of tan of root x. In the next lecture, we shall discuss the next problem.